Welcome to Learning to Type. And let's bold that and center that. That's good enough. So, this is going to be a quick introduction that will take you through how these lessons are going to be. They're going to be fun. They're designed to be quick and easy, and you will probably learn how to type easily within a month, so long as you commit to 5 to 10 minutes a day. That's all you need. So, here's some things that I want people to know about. Learning to type is easy, but it requires patience and trust. So let's talk about that for a second. You need patience in order to pretty much learn anything. And when you learn anything that is worth kind of anything, it does take time. And a lot of people, some people say it's lack of motivation, it's this, whatever it is, you need to have patience. And the only way I got through learning how to type was consistently thinking about, wow, can you imagine what it's like to have so much time on your hands because you can quickly, type an email and then you've got the rest of the day instead of looking at your keyboard and, finger tapping the keys. So whenever I got bored, whenever I was getting impatient, I simply reminded myself of the freedoms I would have once I learned how to type completely. Now that's a huge motivation. So if you ever get bored, if you're ever like, oh, I don't want to do this today, just get through it. It only takes 5 to 10 minutes. You probably spend more time on Facebook. So just simply, or TikTok. So just keep reminding yourself of the positive things that will result from you learning to type and add to that list because that'll help with your motivation. The other thing is trust. And here's why trust is a thing. If you look at the keyboard right now, I'm going to show you my right index finger and what keys it generally hits. So if you just simply put your fingers on the F and the J key, your index fingers, that's actually your starting position. Your starting position, all 4 fingers should be here. So you always know where to place your fingers because your left index should be on the groove, that is the F, and the right index finger is on the groove, that is the J. So once you're there, you're actually in a good position. However, the index finger alone, the right index finger, actually uses the keys J, N, U, H, and 7. So these are the keys that the index finger must go to because they're the most ergonomic, they make the most sense. Oh, I forgot actually why. Yeah, so it's actually quite a few. So it's N, H, Y, U, 7. What do I use for B? Oh, I use my left index finger. Even it's been so long, even I have to check. So the reason why I talk about trust is because you have to trust when you don't look down on your keyboard that when you move your index finger to the left, you're hitting H. And you have to trust that, especially when you get up to the numbers, that you're going to hit 7. And it's okay to make a mistake. That's why there's a delete or backspace button on your keyboard. So that's the other thing. The last few things I'll mention is, yes, it can take up to a month, but compare that to a lifetime of being able to type without having to look at your keyboard. Your typing speed is really fast. I mean, the benefits are insane. It saves you a ton of time. For some, it'll give you more job opportunities because a lot of jobs want typing speeds of 75 words per minute, roughly, and you will learn that. Now, let's talk about the format. So the format of what we're going to do is from lessons 1 to 5, you will learn 1 letter a day. And that's it. However, there will also be a recap of the previous days. So you'll learn 1 letter, but then review the previous ones you learned. And that way, it's building muscle memory and it's building memory at the same time. Now, from lesson 6 onwards, you'll learn 2 letters a day. And I just feel that by lesson 6, you kind of get the format, so we can stretch your brain a bit more, and that speeds things up as well. And that's pretty much it. The only thing I ask for your commitment is to like and subscribe and comment. And the reason for it is this is a free class. I could have charged on Udemy or Skillshare, but I'm offering it free on YouTube. And so the more likes, the more shares I get, and the more subscribers I get to my channel, the more money YouTube will give me. And this is normally a course that I'm sure people charge, $100 per person and make, several $1,000s a year from. So you're getting this completely free. And that's about it. I hope you enjoy. Keep yourself motivated. Whenever there's doubt, remind yourself of the finish line where you can type for the rest of your life without even having to think about it, and you'll be good to go.